Friends, today we are going to continue our course, our practical session. I want to move on to other categories of array methods. Called search. You can search, you can find the element from element that satisfies the condition. You can find its position by using findIndex. You can use also includes for looking how if the elements satisfy the condition are they in. So if they are in, it will return true. If they are not, it will return false. So let's go through all. The first one by using we're going to just type from the categories. Okay, it by categories. Then the second categories, which are two categories: searching and checking methods. So let's go through number one. Number one is using from methods. So this one works by returning the first element that satisfies the condition. So, like for example, mainly I have an example here. I have an example of student marks. So I want to check if they were inside those marks. There is a student who got above 80 marks. So how am I going to do? I'm going just to get the function which called for searching. The purpose for searching. So I will pass my parameter. This is my algorithm. I will return that element that is greater than 18. We just so there's no need to rewrite again. So okay, you can copy here. So you can do whatever you want. You can pass any array that you want, and then I will run it. Then we see that you can see here there's only 90 layers. Is satisfying the position. Then we go to the second one. Okay, the second one is findIndex. This method actually works when you want to display the position of that element that's matching the condition. So I'm going to type it, so it's really helpful for you to devise again. So I'm going to write so that you can see the syntax. So it's going to the function that is the position. We see its position. here. So then let's receive. So this is the number 4 position. This means that as you know, array starts from 0. So this is position number 5, but in array it starts from 0. As you can see, this is the first position as 0, the second one as 1, the third one 2, 3, and 4. Then the array its position. So let's go to the next one. First one. Okay. This one. Check if an array contains a given variable. Check if an array contains array or string. Sometimes they have a common methods that they can work together. So they have array methods can also work on the string. So here we are going to check if, for example, I can say like, let me see if the student wants about 50%, then we evaluate if the student has the course. So I'm going to see if their student will have the course, then I'm going to return that array that's included, and the array that they have reduce, and then I will pass like 50. So all I can pass we're going to pass array as usual. Then my array is here, so like if you want to set time though, you don't have to write again. So okay. So this guy just take like a few minutes. Okay. Okay, you can use a button if you want. Okay. Yes. Okay. Second one, you take like this minute. Okay. You're going to check if 80 is one of the array elements. Then this return true. So thank you for today. This is today's course. So you will devise if you have any addition or any comment, I would like to review them. So then, or if you have something to add, or if you have something that you can correct, or something you can add to this course, I would like to see your suggestion and comment. So thank you.